Most people fail. Will you get it right? Which bird is known for a bright tail and a courtship dance? A. Sparrow. B. Eagle. C. Peacock. D. Penguin. E. Owl. Correct answer is C. Peacock. What is a young horse called? A. Calf. B. Foal. C. Pup. D. Kitten. E. Chick. Correct answer is B. Foal. Which small creature moves slowly and often carries a spiral shell? A. Snail. B. Ant. C. Horse. D. Bat. E. Fish. Correct answer is A. Snail. Now it's time to see how well you did. How many questions did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Share and challenge your friends to see who gets the most right. Don't forget to follow us and see you in the next challenge.